On the road, oil and fuel leaks can happen anytime: diesel, engine oil, hydraulic fluid. We bring you 4 portable truck oil spill kits: 20 liters, 25 liters, 58 liters, and 80 liters. Each kit includes high-efficiency oil-only absorbent pads, socks, disposal bags, and protective gloves. Different sizes match different spill capacities. Choose what fits your truck. Compact, oil-only, and easy to carry. Ideal for commercial vehicles, tank trucks, and maintenance vehicles. Keep one on every truck for safety and the environment. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.